Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last video, we have seen how to display pattern number 7 in this style. Okay, pattern number 7 in this style. Now you have to take pattern number 8. It is the same like previous program. In the previous program, what we have done, so we have taken 10 stars in this style and we have filled with 10 rows. Okay, first row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th rows. Sir, in the top, we have displayed stars. In our previous example, we have printed stars here. Okay. And remaining places we have kept empty. Now we have to do inverse. We need to print stars in this direction and remaining places you have to put it as empty. Means what? This row should be empty. And here also we have to get empty. So here also we have to get empty. So here also we have to get empty. Okay. Sir, is it correct? Here we have to align the stars. In this style, I want to display. In this style, I want to display. Sir, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. I think this one we have to take the stars. Now let us see how you can able to do the program. I think it is the same like previous program. Okay. In the previous program, what we have done, when the value of I is less than or equal to 10/2, we are going to print only first half, right? Now, if I replace this less than or equal to with greater than or equal to, okay, if you replace this less than or equal to with greater than or equal to, then what will happen? We are going to get the stars in the bottom direction. In the top, it will become empty. In the top, it will become empty. Like this, we can implement this eighth pattern, sir. Okay. I think you people got very clear clarity how we can able to display this eighth pattern. Okay. Thank you. Remaining patterns we will discuss in our upcoming videos. Thank you, sir.